Not that long ago, I was lecturing in Europe and I was in Amsterdam, and my wife and I went into the famous Rijksmuseum and went into the Rembrandt Room and saw this giant canvas called the Night Watchman. And I approached it and looked at the various aspects of the artist's paintwork and the like. But of course, a canvas that size can only be appreciated when you step right back and are able to take the totality of it. Well, this week's Parsha, Picture-Vayakhel-Pekudei, Vayakhel means to gather around. It means community. Now, community is more than in an individual. Perhaps you can study a community by analyzing the profile of each of the individuals. But by analyzing each of the individuals and then putting the total together, will you get a picture of what the community's strength and development is all about? No. You have to step back. You have to see the kind of indicators of dynamics of a whole community. And that's the strength of Jewish community. The fact that we're mutually considerate of each other, or could be, if not should be. The fact that the dynamic creates a whole which is much larger than the sum total of the component parts. So when we look at ourselves, don't just look at oneself, look at everybody. Feel that sense of responsibility for the next person, because it's that dynamic between one and the other that creates the totality of community. You have to step back and see the whole. That is Jewish community.